First part of the system is your offer, because without an offer, you have nothing to sell. So the main question at this point comes, what should I build and sell? Right? Because there's so many different things you can sell as an AI business, whether it be apps, whether it be a service. And again, which service, which niche? What you need to look at is pain. What costs businesses money? Then you got to look at business type. Who has this pain? Is this are dentists who don't have front desk receptionists? How much are they paying their front desk receptionist? If they're an automated one, and are there any other businesses who have this front desk receptionist problem? Right? What is the outcome? If you build an AI voice system for the front desk, how much time are you saving them? And based off of that, how much can you charge them? And then you can validate this by maybe going to dentists and pitching this idea. They're just pitching the offer, you don't have to build anything. You got to pitch the offer itself. And then if the response is good, maybe your local dentist is like, oh my God, I would love something like this. Now you can go ahead and actually build it out, right? And the cool part about an MBO, and again, your offer has to be like dialed and written out to a T, so that way you know exactly who you're targeting. You can use Claude Code to write this MBO for you, right? Or to make some sort of MBO generator tool that can create a bunch of MBOs at scale, and you can test each MBO and go through this exact process. You can automate the pain detection, you can automate the business type, you can automate the outcome, you can automate the validation, and then obviously the building part you can use Claude Code for as well. But you can test each minimal viable offer from all these 4 steps right here before the build step. You can keep going through this exact cycle for all your offers at scale. Here's an example, right? So this is an MVO that one of my students I work with built out. It's for his Reddit marketing copilot for founders, and he eventually launched this tool. And if you go to subclimb.com, you'll see that it's there. And he even has 11 paying users, and he's charging very little for his first 10 users, but now he's upping his rates to about $19 a month, which he wrote right here. I believe right now he's charging about $10 or $9 a month just to get some early users. You see, as a clear target audience, technical founders, fair pricing, doability, clear solution, solves a painful problem, is buildable solution, will not take too long to build. He already mapped out which platforms you'll be using to actually market. And then once you have an offer that you've written down to a T, now all you got to do is just execute. Once it's built, you just have to follow the plan you have in your offer. Your minimum viable offer does 80% of the work for you. Okay. And then once you validate, now all that's missing is a build step. And as we know, building is so easy with Claude Code. You can build an entire full stack app within a day. Within a day. It took him about a week to build this. And now he's earning $100 a month consistently. Okay, and this is just a start. It's been under like 3 weeks since this app has been launched of his. Under 3 weeks with minimal marketing. All he's doing is X marketing, like 1 post every 2 days, and he's sometimes inconsistent. So imagine if he adds consistency on top of this, dude, he can be at $1,000 a month very soon. So now the question is, finding the pain, right? What is the wrong way to do it? What's the right way to do it? Some people, they're gonna build first. They're gonna think, oh, what can I make? What's a cool solution to make? That's wrong, because when you do that, you're wasting a lot of time. If you have no confirmation that anyone will even pay for what you're gonna build, why would you build it? Like, you're literally taking a big shot in the dark. Instead, find a pain, because if a pain exists, then you can solve it, right? You can build a solution, but if there's no pain that solution is solving, what is the point? It's not even a solution. It's just a bunch of code that you wrote with Claude Code. No point of that, right? Look for pains in businesses. What costs them money? Okay. Another thing people do, they'll just post online of whatever they build and they'll hope someone wants to buy it. No, what you need to do is you find the pain, and then you look for the specific niche that pain is in. All right. And then the people who are doing this wrong, again, they're hoping for a lucky response after they post online. But what you're doing is you identify the pain, you identify the specific niche, and now you wrote down an MBO. An MBO as detailed as this, so you know exactly who you're targeting, how you're targeting, what's the benefits of your AI business compared to them not having your solution, not having your AI business. And then after that, the offer is just gonna sell itself. I mean, if you write down your offer and you validate it properly, right? And use Claude Code to build the offer, use it to validate, use it to eventually just build a solution, you're not gonna be wasting any time during the building phase. Okay. Again, yes, you can build quickly with Claude Code, but if you're just testing the offer from the jump, then you're not even have to waste time using your Claude Code credits to build a solution, because you've already validated that someone wants to buy it. So when someone says, yes, I want a solution to solve this pain point, the question isn't, will they pay for it? The question isn't, do they need this? The question is, okay, when can you build it? And boom, you build it and it's done. But if you build first, the question is, who would want this? Who would pay for this? And that can cause a huge delay in your road to success in the AI business space. So one of the biggest frameworks that I follow is Arise ideation framework. Essentially, it's helping you find sticky problems versus trendy problems. This is very important because if you're able to find a sticky problem, that means this problem exists. It's been a nagging pain for a lot of businesses, and a trendy problem is a core business pain that maybe is with newer products. Like a lot of people right now are using OpenClaw, and businesses are spending a lot of money on OpenClaw installation. And the pain point is that they don't know how to install OpenClaw. So there's businesses that are literally charging like 10K, 15K, 20K to do OpenClaw installations. This is a trendy problem. OpenClaw is slowly dying, let's be honest. In fact, it might already be dead by the time this video comes out. So in that case, sticky problems are just problems that have been, around for a long period of time, like lead generation for roofing companies or running mass email campaigns. So those problems always stick.